Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and we are doing this nerf gun game where you shoot people. It's a pretty good game. Yeah. Oh, I think he knows. Okay, wow. Dun, dun. Bruh. What is this? Yeah, guys, this will this game, yeah, will probably be my next video. What happened? If we get caught, I don't know. Yeah, I want. Oh, I get chased. Okay. Destroyed. Okay. He restarted. Go. Bye. Back out!
Actually, I feel so OP, like I'm punching everyone. Ow. I totally apologize, okay? I don't mean to punch you, but I have to punch you. Okay, I'm out of health. No, guys, go!
Okay, yeah, that was like the weirdest video ever, but okay. Let's do one more, why not? Oh. Destroy! Bang, 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 bang. Ooh. Oh, that's gonna be a nasty weapon. Oh. Whoa. No open go, but I do have a question. Am I using the new weapon? I don't think I am.
I want a VA. Golden. Tap, 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 tap. Here I am. Hard to choose. I want to be a part of the celebrity family. Spicy is my fave. M delicious. Oh, that was a wrong choice.
Sally? But I did not mean to say that. Tap, tap, tap the claw dog. No. I do not like to tap. But first I'm gonna go on the shop. I'm gonna go look up this. I'm gonna go put this on. Never mind, I do have my more. So it was like a fight. There's like a gun war fight. Pencil, cool. Okay. Lord.
I need toilet now.
Straw. Okay, yeah, I think that's good enough. Bye guys.